Welcome to my channel, ladies. If breakage and damaged hair are stressing you out, I've found something that feels like pure luxury in a jar. The Kerastase Premier Anti-Breakage Mask not only repairs bonds but also removes calcium buildup, leaving your hair up to 7x smoother. Let's see if this mask is truly the secret to stronger, healthier-looking hair. Kerastase Premier Anti-Breakage Mask. The Kerastase Premier Hair Repair Mask is a luxurious, high-performance treatment specially formulated to restore life to fragile, damaged, and breakage-prone hair. Powered by glycine and peptides, this deeply reparative mask works on multiple levels. It hydrates, strengthens, repairs internal bonds, and removes calcium buildup that can weaken the hair fiber. Over time, mineral deposits and daily stressors can cause hair to feel brittle, rough, and lackluster. This mask helps reverse that damage by nourishing from root to tip and replenishing the hair with essential nutrients. Unlike ordinary hair masks, the Kerastase Premier Anti-Breakage Mask targets the root cause of breakage, calcium buildup, and weakened bonds. The formula infuses hydration while actively repairing the inner structure of the hair fiber, leaving strands noticeably stronger, healthier, and smoother. Whether your hair has been damaged by chemical treatments, heat styling, or environmental stress, this mask provides intensive care that rebuilds resilience. With consistent use, hair feels supple, soft, and more manageable, while shine is restored for a radiant, healthy finish. Designed for all damaged hair types, it offers a salon-quality repair experience at home, giving you the confidence of smoother, revitalized hair that resists future breakage. Benefits: deeply repairs and strengthens bonds. Glycine and peptides penetrate the hair fiber, repairing weakened bonds and reinforcing strength from the inside out. Removes calcium buildup, effectively eliminates mineral deposits that can cause dryness, dullness, and breakage, leaving hair smooth and refreshed. Protects against breakage. By restoring internal structure and resilience, it reduces the risk of split ends and breakage. Boosts hydration and softness, provides intense moisture that quenches dry, damaged strands without weighing hair down. Restores shine and smoothness, revives dull, brittle hair with a silky finish and radiant shine. Ideal for all damaged hair types. Works effectively on chemically treated, color-treated, heat-damaged, or naturally fragile hair. Salon-level results at home. A professional-grade repair mask that delivers visible transformation after just one use. Suggested use: start by shampooing your hair with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and impurities. Towel dry your hair to remove excess moisture. Apply a generous amount of the Kerastase Premier Anti-Breakage Mask evenly through the lengths and ends. Gently massage to ensure full coverage and absorption. Leave on for 5 minutes to allow the active ingredients to deeply penetrate the hair fiber. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. For best results, use 1 to 2 times per week, depending on your hair's level of damage. Pair with the Kerastase Premier Hair Care Routine for maximum bond repair and long-lasting smoothness. The Kerastase Premier Anti-Breakage Mask is more than just a conditioner. It's an intensive repair treatment designed to transform weak, overprocessed, and breakage-prone hair. Each application works to rebuild strength, restore elasticity, and eliminate dullness caused by calcium deposits, leaving your hair up to 7x smoother and healthier looking. If you're searching for a powerful yet gentle solution to revive damaged hair, this mask delivers the perfect balance of hydration, repair, and protection. Elevate your hair care routine with Kerastase and enjoy stronger, shinier, and more resilient hair with every use. To buy this product, go to check link in the description box. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching.